Because time, once it elapses, it doesn't come back. Allah will ask you regarding where you spent your life, and then where you spent your youth. Youth goes and time goes and life goes very quickly. Ask us. We were in primary school yesterday. It seems like yesterday. And today we are burying our uncles and aunties, and next is us. Today you look at us as old. Tomorrow, not far away, tomorrow you will be old. And this is the thing. You will look over your shoulder, and no exaggeration, the day it dawns on you that you're gonna die, and it will dawn on you, the day that it dawn on you that you are gonna die, although you see people dying all around, you don't really think you're gonna die. The day that it will dawn on you that you are gonna die, you will look over your shoulder, and you will look, in the vast majority, you will look and you will see how you dissipated and how you wasted your life. How you made the dunya this your purpose. This was your purpose. Morning to evening, rat race. Follow the crowd. No time for your salah. No time to do any good actions. Much of the day was filled with haram. Namaz time, first thing, the Prophet ﷺ said, on the day of judgment you will be asked regarding is your salah. First thing, regarding the hukuk of Allah, the first thing Allah will ask you is regarding your salah. And the Prophet ﷺ said, if you pass your salah, you have a very good chance of passing everything else. You fail your salah, you fail everything else. All of you know that namaz is fard, not just Jummah. All of us know that Hajj is fard. All of us know zakat is fard. All of us know that it is good, it's fard for us to be good to our parents. It's a fard upon us to be rightful to our children and just to our wives. All of us know. Nobody's blind to it. The major things in the deen we all know. Allah will ask, you know that ilm that you had, what did you do? You knew namaz was fard. Did you pray namaz? You knew Hajj was fard upon you. Did you go Hajj? Oh no, I wasn't ready for it. I wasn't ready for it. What do you mean you weren't ready for it? You're ready for everything else related to the dunya, but you're not ready for Hajj. Because Jibreel is going to come down and tell Haji Sahib, Chal, you're ready to go for Hajj. Maybe Israel will come before Jibreel and tell you it's your time to go. Allah will ask us regarding the knowledge that we had. How did we put our knowledge into action?